Hello everyone. Today I wanna teach you what is the table. This is the header of the table. This is from here to here body of the table. This part is footer of the table. This part from here to here rows of the table. This is the columns of the table. And sample table, this is the caption of table. And these are cells of the table: cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. A table consists of rows and columns that is intersect at cell. Cells that contain the data of the table are called data cells. Cells that identify the data in columns or row are called header cells. Now I'm going to show you the two tables here. We are going to make these two kind of tables. One is regular table and the other one you group your table with columns and rows. You group it. For the table you need to write a table element, and after that we need to write a caption. What is the title of your table? Books, cells. And after that, after caption, you have to write TR, and inside the TR we have to write the header cell TH. We have two more TH. Year published. And one more TH. Sales. After that we close TR, closing tag, and then start new TR. Okay, what is TR? TR defined a row. What is TD? TD define a data cell within a row. Inside the TR, we're supposed to write TD, PHP, and my SQL. Because we have 3 captions, we have to write 3 TD. $2017 TD $, the price. Okay, and after that finish our TR. Our row is finished. The next row is going to write TD JavaScript and jQuery. one more TD 2017, one more TD, okay, close the TR, and now I'm going to write the finish footer part, 1 TR, and we have to write a header for that, TH, total sales. This TD is supposed to be empty because we don't have any value to write. And then TD okay, this one. Now I want to add two more things here. In table, you can write it down. The style inside the element, you can put a style. But later on, when you learn CSS, you can write it separate code and bring it to HTML file. But now, because we don't learn CSS and we don't know, we have to write here. Border. The table should have the line inside the table and outside the table. We should have border, and the border name I put right solid. The border name, and then we have to put a color for the table. The table needs to have a background color. You have to write BG color red, save it. When I double click the file, you will see the table with borders and colors. Okay, now I am going to write a second table. Now we want to group the table, group the footer, group the header, group the body. How we can do it? I put here after table, I put BR to BR. Okay, I want to copy this table. Yeah, this one. Ctrl C and paste it here. Okay, after table, yeah, here. After table caption, after caption, we have to write T head. This is the element for the head. And I will put after here the closing tag. This is the head part of the table. And after that, body. After T head, you have to put T body. We want to group the body. T body. And after that, T footer, T foot, and put it here after TR. Save. But this time I don't need to put background color. Save. Now this is our tables here. Yeah, second table. What is nested table? Nested table in HTML means creating a table on a web page inside another table on the same web page. You can nest one table within another table by coding a table element within TD elements. This is nested table. I want to show you this one here. This is nested table, and we are going to make a table nested. I have already write a table, this one here, copy, and one of the TDs I will go to paste the table. I selected this one, JavaScript and jQuery. After that I put the table, and when I double click the file, you will see the nested table here. What is col span and what is row span? Col span means merge the columns. What is row span means merge the rows. Row span to and col span for, I'm going to save and see the result. Sales and price, it's merged. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel.